Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off dark mode on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click here, click on these three lines here. Now click on this settings icon. Here you will find dark mode, click on it, and now here you will find just click like this, and this will be turned off. And that's it. That's how to turn off dark mode on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.